out of Oklahoma. But these are the warnings that are active as of 10:57. The tornado warning for northeastern
County in north central Texas, northwestern Manatee County in north central Texas, Hopkins County in north central Texas, Wayne County in north central Texas, Delta County in north central Texas, southern Lamar County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, northeastern Dallas County in north central Texas, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 10:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along from near Roxton to near Cattle Mills, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard to entail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Plano, Garland, McKinney, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Rowlett, Wiley, Rockwall, Greenville, Parrish, Sampson, Terrell, Sulphur Springs, Forney, Commerce, Wills Point, Murphy, Roy City, and Fairview. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 480 and 513, Interstate 30 between mile markers 60 and 142. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. These storms have a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Or of any significant wind damage, but we will probably see quite a bit of storm damage, hail damage, and wind damage at first light tomorrow. It is 11 o'clock. We're listening to live emergency weather coverage. Operation Storm Watch.
Northeastern Devon County in north central Texas, northern Collin County in north central Texas, southern Grayson County in north central Texas, southwestern Salmon County in north central Texas, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 10:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gunter, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Sherman, Prosper, Kenna, Princeton, Salina, Melissa, Farmersville, Van Alstyne, Howe, Leonard, Lowry Crossing, Whitehall, Gunter, Tompkins, Trenton, Dorchester, Merritt, Randolph, and Blue Ridge. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
A big mess on the radar map right now. Severe thunderstorm warnings from Nocona, West of Gainesville.